Number 1. Don't communicate with them every day. Now, we all love a good chat, but a little space can work wonders. It's not about playing hard to get, it's about creating a healthy balance. When you ease up on daily communication, something magical happens. Anticipation. Remember how you longed for that new gadget, and once you had it, the thrill faded. Well, human connection isn't so different. The less you talk, the more they wonder, creating a space where desire can grow. It's like a subtle dance, stepping back to let the longing take center stage. Balancing the art of communication involves withholding the constant updates. Give them room to miss your voice, your stories, and the essence of your presence. The mind craves what it can't have, and in the realm of relationships, a touch of mystery can be the secret sauce for making someone truly miss you. Number 2. Use the power of your scent. The underrated allure of fragrance, a potent tool in triggering memories and emotions. So here's the deal. Invest in a signature scent, something uniquely you. This isn't just about smelling good, it's about creating a sensory memory that lingers in your mind. Picture it like a romantic time capsule. Your scent becomes a reminder of shared moments and emotions. Opt for a high-quality cologne or perfume. You want to stand out, not blend in. A unique scent has the power to transport someone mentally to moments you've shared, invoking emotions and fostering a deep connection. So splash on that captivating fragrance and let your scent linger in your thoughts, weaving a tapestry of memories that's hard to forget. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more psychology facts by commenting "I am attractive." Number 3. Take things slow. In a world that often rushes relationships, embracing the wisdom of gradual progression can be a game changer. Just like Rome wasn't built in a day, a meaningful connection takes time to develop and solidify. Planning outings or spontaneous adventures with thoughtful pacing allows them the space to savor moments with you. Not only does this approach build anticipation, but it also ensures a healthier dynamic for both your emotional well-being and your wallet. Consider the analogy of fine wine. Rushing the process doesn't yield the same rich flavor. By spacing out your shared experiences, you're giving them the opportunity to appreciate the nuances of your connection. It's not about playing hard to get, but rather savoring the journey, letting the relationship unfold organically. So plan those dates wisely, creating memories that age like a fine wine, leaving a lasting impression. Number 4. Become mysterious. The allure of the unknown, a psychological trick that never fails to captivate. Think back to your childhood when the promise of a surprise gift had your mind buzzing with possibilities. Now, transpose that concept into the realm of adult relationships. The less they know about you, the more their curiosity is piqued. Sure, openness is vital in any relationship, but maintaining an air of mystery injects excitement. Let them indulge in fantasies about your life, creating a mental space where desire flourishes. Remember, familiarity breeds comfort, but a touch of mystery keeps the spark alive. So be the enigma that keeps them guessing, fostering an intrigue that resonates deep within their psyche and leaves them yearning for more. Number 5. Send them pictures. No, not the scandalous kind. We're talking about sharing glimpses of your life. When distance keeps you apart, a well-timed picture can bridge the gap. It's not about creating jealousy, but rather about crafting visual memories. So next time you're all dolled up for a night out with friends, capture the moment and send it their way. A smile in a photo can transcend miles and evoke emotions, making them feel connected despite the physical distance. This visual storytelling isn't about showcasing a perfect life, but sharing authentic moments that resonate. In a world where images speak volumes, use this tool to tap into their emotions. Let your pictures tell a story of a life they're missing out on, creating a yearning for the shared experiences that await when you reunite. Congratulations, you made it halfway through the video. Stay tuned and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. Number 6. Post your fun on social media. Now, before you roll your eyes, it's not about showing off, but creating a digital window into your world. Social media can be a powerful tool to share your adventures, and even if you're not having a blast 24/7, a little creativity goes a long way. It's not deceptive. It's about creating an illusion of joy, a playful nudge to remind them of the happiness they associate with you. So whether you're sipping coffee at a trendy spot or posing awkwardly for a photo with the help of a kind stranger, share these moments. Your posts become a virtual smile, letting them know you're having a good time, subtly stoking the fire of their longing to join in on the fun. Number 7. Be independent and confident. There's something undeniably attractive about someone who knows where they're headed. Now, not everyone has their life entirely figured out, and that's perfectly fine. It's the illusion of confidence and independence that matters. Sometimes you've got to fake it till you make it, projecting an image of having your life together. Confidence exudes a magnetic charm, drawing people in. Whether you're a meticulous planner or embracing life's uncertainties, the key is to present yourself as someone with goals and direction. This isn't about boasting, but about radiating a positive energy that makes them miss being part of your vibrant life. So stand tall, project that self-assured aura, and watch as they yearn to be a part of your confident world. Number 8. Look your best. As simple as it sounds, appearances do matter. When you want someone to miss you, make it a habit to present your best self. It's not about vanity. It's about boosting your confidence and making a lasting impression. When you consistently look good, it leaves an imprint in their mind. Wear outfits that make you feel fantastic. Groove yourself to perfection and carry yourself with grace. This isn't about adhering to societal standards. It's about embracing your unique style and radiating confidence. When they see you looking your best, it's a visual reminder of the vibrant, attractive person they're lucky to have in their life. So, dress to impress, not just for others, but for yourself and the lasting impact it creates on those who miss your captivating presence. Number 9. Leave something behind. Not in a forgetful way, but strategically. It could be a shirt, a hat, or a subtle reminder of your essence. This tangible piece becomes a memory trigger, a physical connection to you when you're not around. Imagine them stumbling upon that shirt and being flooded with memories. It's a powerful way to make them miss you. This isn't about leaving a trail of belongings, but scattering small reminders that whisper your presence. It could be as simple as a piece of jewelry or a handwritten note. The goal is to create a subtle, ongoing dialogue even when you're physically apart, so strategically leave a piece of yourself behind, turning it into a sweet reminder of the connection you share. Number 10. Take something from them. Now hold on, we're not advocating theft here. It's more of a playful exchange. Ask to borrow their favorite shirt, jacket, or any item with sentimental value. Once you've obtained permission, make it a part of your routine. Wear that borrowed shirt occasionally or use the item in front of them. It's a clever way to intertwine your lives and make them miss the little things associated with you. The key is consent. Ensure they're comfortable with this playful exchange. It's not about taking without asking, but creating a shared connection through shared possessions. As you accumulate these items, you become a curator of memories, and each borrowed piece adds a layer to the tapestry of your connection. So with permission in hand, indulge in this playful act of borrowing and watch as their missing you becomes an artful dance of shared belongings. There you have it, 10 signs to make someone miss you. Do you want to know the best psychology facts about human behavior? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.